Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Kawasaki Concourse. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Kawasaki Concourse, with 26,421 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, TPMS, traction control, heated grips, a keyless ignition, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with tech-spec tank pads, saddlebag and fairing pads, and passenger floorboards. We have replaced the front tire. Powered by a 1352cc inline 4-cylinder engine, the Concourse puts 102 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.8-gallon fuel capacity, the Concourse has a 200 to 240-mile range. It has a 32.1-inch seat height and a 688-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 6:30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's flaking on the exhaust, a scratch on the front fender, and a wearing blemish on the bar end. This bike has a toolkit, 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.